Alright, since we're back on the subject, here goes all your bringing up JOKEann. I guess since we're all ages, he had to bring her back from the dead too. And look, you want to talk about Phoenix? Typing away? What's this? See, let me tell you, hold on. This is sad, man. I need to put on my Mag Bitter Truth voice here. My God. Now you got this dumb fat white bitch right here that I thought we all forgot about. JOKEann Marie Edmonds. And she's buying into the same bullshit that Mr. Davudi been saying. I try to tell you. Now I'm an actor. We're all different comedians and actors. We know damn well I am not no damn Eddie Murphy. I am not rich or famous. You better wake your ass up. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. The same old putting filters over faces. That's what she calls evidence. Get the fuck out of here. Look at this bullshit right here. Can't even match the face up right. Cause it ain't me. Yo dumb fat butch. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. This is why the Mog always destroy people like this on YouTube every day. And they keep flagging the Mog down. Now let me tell you what you need to do. Miss Edmonds. You need to get on your knees and you need to suck Arya's dick. You need to suck his dog dick. Because if it wasn't for him, you would have long been forgotten. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. He the one who brought your name back up. You can't fool the Mog. And all of you and Granny H trying to get love out of this dude. And he said he don't like y'all. And the videos that you make are corny. They suck. He don't like y'all. Stop trying to get men who don't want y'all. Y'all too fat, you're too old, or too ugly. No doubt about it. You're gonna go against Arya, but yet you're gonna agree with him at the same time? You better wake your ass up.